rubber meets the road as a full police escort leads bikers from Andiamo restaurant in Haworth, New Jersey, over the George Washington Bridge, along the Palisades Parkway, and back. What started off as a run to buy a bike for a local police department has morphed into a national fundraising event with the motto, Riding to Help Others.
We get about 1,000 bikes a year. We have donated over $1 million to various charities, including Special Olympics, Englewood Hospital. I can go on and on. There's about 20 charities that we donate to every year.
The annual run attracts riders from different worlds, from cruisers to sports bikes. Their passion is on display as they gear up and roll out.
Harley riders, just that type of person, loves to get together with a group of people and go out riding. And it's never about, for us, being wild and crazy and stupid. It's always just about having some good time with some good people and good friends, and then sometimes do a run like this and give some money out. That's what it's about.
After the run, the fun shifts into high gear with hot food, cold drinks, and good company.
Although the weather hasn't exactly been the best today, it hasn't stopped the community from coming together for a wonderful cause. For police officers to weekend warriors and everybody in between, we hope to see you next year. For DSS News, I'm Liz Sheldon.